Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ on a clear downtrend. So does Tesla. On SPY, I do have some support levels identified from the daily chart. As you could see, I've identified two support levels around 367 and 362. Last few days, we had some significant moves to the upside. So maybe today the markets may give back a little. With a clear downtrend on both QQQ and SPY going into market open, I'm bearish. But I'll wait for market open to see how the markets react and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. If it breaks down below this level, I may look for potential move to the downside. It looks good. SPY remaining strong. I think it may try to close the gap and then fade. Right now, no setups, no trades. I'm not interested to the call side as of now because SPY is still red on the day and it has not broke the pre-market high. Great strength. Could be a bull trap. That's why I'm waiting. If volume comes in, and if this candle retraces more than 50%, that would be good. Right now, I think it's just 20%. I may have to wait, which I have no problem doing. So I'll keep waiting. Yesterday's closing price acting as resistance. Not ready yet. Watching this level. I got in 10:30. Adding at 990. Yep, looking good. 1050 got out of 2. I get out of 1 more. I'm just holding 1. Out. 160 per dollars, I'll take it. Now why did I exit? Not liking how SPY was hesitating to drop. I was expecting a quick flush. It did not happen. Now if it comes down, I'll try to get in again. Just got 1 contract. Yep, I'm in 2. If it goes above this candle, I'll exit. This would be my stop loss. This time it has to fail. Perfect. One out at 11:30. If this comes to 10:30, I'll exit. Out. I didn't get fill. Out for now. $482 in 20 minutes. I'll take it. So on my second trade, the high was 1260. I tried to put in a sell order around 1260. I did not get filled. Then I got filled at 1170. 90 cents below my initial sell order. These option premiums move very quickly and sometimes hard to get out the price you want. But look at this move right now. Market's reversed, and 3,700 for SPX is a critical point. Every time it goes below it, it tries to come back. Now, a lot of shorts we have not covered would be hoping and holding. Yep. What's happening? It's coming down again. SPX is again below 3,700. Now it could be a little tricky because it failed to break down and it's also failing to break out. So indecision, and when you have indecision, you stay away. So why am I concerned about price of SPX even though I'm watching SPY? I'm trading SPX contracts. I'm not trading SPY contracts. But since SPY and SPX move along, I like to watch the SPY chart instead of the SPX chart, because here we'll have more volume and that gives me a much cleaner picture. Not liking this move, and I think it would be better to close the trading. So that would be it from me for today. A decent day of trading, making $482 in around 30 minutes of trading. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.